Hello students, today I send you MS Word 3rd class. Look at the tasks. How to paste any text as a picture. So, what is the answer? Follow either cut or copy at first. Click on the blank space. Click on home, arrow paste special. Click on picture, either Windows or enhanced meta file, then OK. So what is the steps? At first I open here MS Word blank file. So the tab, look at here, I type India. It is the text format. Suppose I select it, enlarge the text for your good visibility, then click on copy. Look at here, what is the answer? Click on a blank space, then click on home, arrow paste, and then paste special. Either click on picture, Windows or enhanced meta file. Look at here, again I open it, click on the blank space, then click on home, arrow paste, then paste special, then pictures, either Windows meta file, then click on OK. What is the basic difference between the above text and bottom text? Look at here, it is the text format, it is the picture format, and it is the text format. Suppose I delete it, the normal left hand side backspace key, through the backspace key I delete the only one alphabet, but here when you can delete the whole picture format deleted at a glance. Suppose I press the delete key, automatically delete the whole one. Again I press the Ctrl Z, look at again, it is the picture format. Suppose I drag it to the bottom area, automatically it must be increase their size. Again I press Ctrl Z, look at the term. Okay, the next question. The question here, how to change the font face. Look at the blank page. Suppose this is the text. I select India. Look at again, it is the font group. Inside the font group, here is some different kinds of font face. Suppose I want to apply it from Calibri to the Times New Roman. Look at here, it is the text format of the Times New Roman. When I select it, your desired the font area appears on your screen. I minimize this button for your good visibility. Look at here, when I select India, your Times New Roman, look at here, Times New Roman, it is the font style. Suppose again I click on the Arial black, your font face must be changed. Next, look at here, how to change the font size. Okay, India, already I selected this text. If I click on the font size and select from the tray 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, So any one size you may select from the tray. But if you can apply more than 72, simply click on here and press the backspace key and type the desired font size. Suppose I want to apply it 150 and press the enter key. Automatically, look at here, the style 100, the font style Arial black along with the size 150. Now I set back to the normal text, that is the I select here 26. Next, your next question, look at here, your next question, how to increase or decrease the font size. It's very simple. Look at here, it is the grow font. You may select your shortcut key also, Control plus greater than, and shrink font, Control plus left arrow. So how can I apply it? Along with the Control and Shift, then greater than or less than. At first I set it through the menu button. Look at here, if I click on the grow font features, automatically increases, and if I click on the shrink font, automatically decreases. Through the shortcut key, I press here Shift, Control, then greater than, automatically increase this font. Shift, Control, then less than, automatically decrease it. Now the next question. What is the question? How to apply clear formatting. Look at the text, India. I apply here Arial black, font size is 28, and the color is such like red. I want to clear it. Where is clear formatting? Look at here very carefully. Clear formatting, clear all the formatting from the selection, leaving only the plain text. So if I click on that clear formatting, automatically your default settings means Calibri body, your default font size is 11, this type of settings previously installed in your computer system automatically set through the clear formatting. Now the last question. The last question is the how to set bold, italic, underline, strike through features. Look at again. It is India. So I want to increase this size through the different types of features. When I click on the B, it must be bold. When I click on the I, that means it's slanting to the right side, the italic features. When I click on the U, it must be underlined, and it's an amazing features. What is the features? Suppose you write here I am an INDIAN. Someone can write here I am a FOOTBALLER, footballer. Or someone can write I am Amit in this way. So I want to cross it. So when I cross it, how can I cross it? Suppose this is the wrong statement. I want to cross it. So that's why through the strike through features, you can easily cross this sentence. Thanks for everyone. Let's follow my standard 9 third class.